Hey guys, this is SaberMach here. Once again, thanks for watching this video. Today under the custom department, we have just completed just another DM saber. So what is unique about this DM saber is that the customer has requested for a removable battery system. So we have done this several times, but all with the in-hilt charging system. So just to go through a few of the features on the DM. So it does have our gunmetal SSP on the saber, as well as the O-ring light connector that we have fabricated for this saber itself. So just to turn on the saber and show you what this is all about. So this is an expert series or a Nano Biscotte with a red white LED. Right, the other end. So you put in the blades. They are 7-8 inch blades. So flash and clash. That's about it, with of course 2 choices of font for you to choose from, and a silent mode as well. So just to go quickly into the internals, you can just split this open just by twisting it. Okay, so this is how the saber works. So it does have our 25mm space speaker, and this is our specially machined Darwin chassis system. So the board sits just over here. Let me just focus it and so you can see it clearly. So with a clean soldering, and of course with the 18650 just right at the bottom, so it's easy for you to just, for the customer to just pluck it out. And then to put it back in, just pop it in. And the chassis is made just a little bit good fit, so there's no need for any retention screw to hold the saber itself, because once you push it in, it kind of doesn't move around anymore. Okay, and of course we turn it on. That's where the bass speaker is, and of course the coupler as well. You can put in the end cap as well, sorry about that. So you can just put this in and it becomes a single saber. Really loud. So we're really proud of this saber that we have completed. So this is the 18650 removable battery version. So yep, that's how it is. So once again guys, thanks for watching this video. If you would like to know more, do let us know. Comment below if you like this video as well, and if you like to have one of this custom saber made just for you, you can contact us at sales@sabermach.com, or you can leave us a Facebook message or a Instagram message, and we will reply back to you. Alright guys, see you on the next custom saber project, and thanks for watching this video.